Hey, I came to John's event and I heard a lot of things about John before I came here, and I know that he was doing this project on a TV. I watched some of episodes, I liked it, and I thought it would be a great thing to come, and I'm so grateful I'm here. We get ton of information here, ton of advice, like literally it's really good. I would say that he's one of the most knowledgeable people out there, and I think that what really set him apart, that he's really doing deals, because there is like a lot of gurus out there who are just like weekend warriors. They say they teach, but they don't really do deals. They stop doing them, and John does deals. You can see real thing, and that's practicality what I like. We learned, of course, every day a lot, and today it was some of the speakers, they talked about different type of finances, how we get financing for the projects, and it's really valuable. And I think you can get this information just going to like bigger packets or wherever and looking through it, but here it's condensed, concrete, and in your geographic area. So it's like you talk to the people, and it makes it like really quick. I want to do my first flip, and I kind of wasn't sure where to start and how to proceed, and now I see that I can do it, and I see many people I met some people who have the same goal as me, and we exchange our contacts, and we will keep in touch, and we work on our projects. I guess in these 2 days you get the knowledge you need to do your first deals. That was my objective, to see how can I do my first flip, and I think it's enough knowledge to do it.